Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dictation or microphone input on the keyboard on your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on General. Then tap on Keyboard. Next, go down to the Dictation section and tap on Enable Dictation. So tap on the switch to turn it off or turn on. So when you tap on the switch, there's a pop-up. It will ask you whether you want to enable or disable dictation. And so that dictation sends information like your voice input, context, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your request. And so once it is turned on, you can see on the keyboard here, there is a microphone button. You can tap on that to start dictation. And if you tap on the off button, now this will switch off on your keyboard. There's no microphone buttons allowing you to dictate the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.